Today we'll be testing a 5-minute day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 246 different strategies with 78 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 136 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,002 different indicators with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. So the source video says 100% accurate signals using the secret Tradingview indicator. And so, of course, we know right off that no indicator and no strategy is going to be 100%. At some point, it's going to take a losing trade. So obviously, the 100% statement in the source video is not going to be accurate. And also, these indicators are not secret indicators. These are clearly public indicators. And so that also isn't a very true statement, but nonetheless, we're going to put the strategy to the test to see what we can get out of it. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and hide those two indicators there. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Fisher transform with up/down. And it's going to be actually the second one right here. And so you go ahead and click on that, add it to the screen, and it will look like this right here. The next indicator you will want to add to the screen is going to be the EMA cross plus trend channel. So type in mix 1 and then the rest there, and it will be this top one right here. So you go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we'll jump into the settings. And what you're going to do is just go ahead and uncheck the SMA trend, the top channel, the bottom channel, and the stop loss line right there. You can leave everything else on the way it is on default. And so what we are looking for a short trade is we are looking for a short tag like this right here from the EMA cross indicator. Not only do you want the short tag there, but you want this bar right here to be the maroon red-ish color. And then lastly, you're going to look down to the Fisher transform up and down, and you want it to be below the 0 line. And so it would be in the negative, basically. If you look at the numbers over here on the side scale, you can see that it's in the negative. Or if you look at the numbers right above my mouse right here, when I mouse over this candle, you can see it's negative 3.438. Now it's going to be your signal to enter into a short. So we're going to set our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right above this little swing right here, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's place forward and see what we get. Alright, so you can see there that it takes just a little bit, but we eventually creep our way down, getting ourselves to our take profit. Alright, and for a long trade, what we are looking for is the long green tag like this. We are looking for a green bar here. That's a dark green bar, the same color as the tag. Then we're going to look down to the Fisher transform, and we want it to be above the 0 line. Again, this time it would be in the positive numbers, I guess you could say. Again, you can look at the numbers right here above my cursor, hover over this one, and then you can see now it is at 0.307. So positive. And that's going to be your entry, your signal to enter into a long trade. You're going to put your trade there. You're going to put your stop just right below the swing right here, and you're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right there. Let's play this one forward and see what we get. And you can see that we make a pretty nice move there, getting us to our take profit relatively quicker than the last. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 14 winning trades and 36 losing trades, putting it at a 28% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $8,400 on the losing side. You'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $14,400 for an overall loss of $6,000 altogether. So again, not a secret indicator, not 100% accurate, and not profitable in the end. So definitely a bogus source video claim. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 47 trades altogether. We had 40 winning trades and 7 losing trades, putting it at an 85% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $24,000 altogether. On the losing side, you would have lost $6,300 for an overall gain of $17,700. So significantly better results. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status as well, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signal. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. We're keeping track each week of the trades the Academy of Forex indicator has signaled. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we did 2 trades altogether and 2 winning trades. A 100% win rate would have been a gain of $1,200. On the crypto coin, we would have had 3 trades altogether, 2 winning, 1 losing, a 66% win rate. Would have been a gain of $300. For the week, we would have been up $1,500, and at the 20-week total now, we would have been up $38,560 over 170 trades. You can see more stats on the strategy here, and you can see the growth of the account there. So really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. Alright, that's it for this video here. The strategy is going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.